Hey, I'm Steve Knotts. Welcome to Ableton Hybrid DJs. This channel is all about making original electronic music with Ableton Live and playing original electronic music with Ableton Live. Now that could mean just 2 decks and a mixer. It could mean big multi-track sessions that you do on stage with mics and looping. Or it could mean studio dubs that feel live, then you get them mastered and play them out in a DJ booth, which is also super fun, and I've spent many years doing that as well. However you get down, I'm here to help you make the best music of your life using Ableton in Session View, where live is at its best. Now that brings me to an important point about my hands-on session lesson tutorials. Most of what I teach happens inside Live when you download a project and follow along with a hands-on tutorial where you get to play with the sounds and hear what happens. The fun way, instead of watching me talk on video all day. Honestly, nobody really wants to watch more YouTube. People want to play with Live and make music and have fun, and that's what I'm here to help you do. With hands-on, I'm going to say it again, session lesson tutorials. I believe session lessons are the future of Ableton tutorials because you learn by doing it inside Live. Okay, that's what's up. And I'm excited for you to experience this soon. So check the links in the descriptions on my videos. I'll tell you how to find them. It's super easy. Session lessons are really fun and they get you making music creatively with inspiration, imagination, motivation, and you literally cannot give up because you're right there inside Live doing it, not watching YouTube. So watch out for my hands-on session lesson tutorials. Let's make some music, and thanks again for visiting Ableton Hybrid DJs.